Hello, my name is Chrissy Cardenas, going to be talking about what is Martingale and how do martingales work. My mentor and my product owner for my project is Dr. Masood Sajjadi. Martingale is based on the idea that you double your bet after losing trades and recuperate all your money after winning. It was intended to be used for a roulette within the casinos, but can be applied onto Forex, where traders make profit from a small amount of bips to earn probably even thousands of bips. So the idea on a roulette is like if you bet $1 on the black and the roulette landed on red, then you will bet $2, doubling up the bet prior on the black. Then the roulette landed on the red again. Then you bet $2 more, so making it $4 on the black. But then the roulette hits on the red again, so then you would bet $8 and so on and so forth until you win when the roulette lands on the black, gaining all what you have lost. There is another type of martingale that most traders use, and it's called the Anti Martingale. Anti Martingale is a trading method opposite to the standard martingale, where it involves halving a bet each time there is a trade loss and doubling a bet each time there's a winning streak. Can be considered as a better system for traders because it's more of a high reward and less risk, but it's still on the demand with almost getting to that high risk as the original martingale. My expert advisors is using the classic standard martingale strategy style. So it starts off by buying an order with the lot of 0.03. Then we have lost within that trade $6 from our balance. So we multiply it over the lot by 1.5 and sell a trade for 0.04. So after we're selling from that trade, we'd have lost $12 from it. Once again, we had to multiply our lot by 1.5, making it 0.06, where we sold a trade for that amount. And then we lost again. Then we had to multiply it by 1.5, making it go for 0.09, until finally we were able to earn 60.75 back. Then we do the repeat process where we buy from 0.03 and then going on by that, whether we multiplied or keep buying. The expert advisor would go through in the code a branch function that is calling the enter by condition. If the function returns true, here's the code. It would check to see if it got any history to multiply it over the lot, and thus refreshing for the incoming data, grabbing the new tick where we can buy from that current price. The same thing with sell. If the enter sell condition function returns true, it will go into this branch, also checking for if there is any history to multiply our lot and refreshing for the new incoming data in order for us to grab the selected order in order to buy. Now my partner that I have been studying, her expert advisors is a hybrid type of martingale where he's using a moving average. So her expert advisors enter trades according to the conditions of two moving averages. Depending on the two conditions, whether it's fast moving average or it's a slow moving average, will depend on either be buy or sell, and will multiply the value of every step of the new trade. Moving averages is one of the most technical indicators that are used to gauge the direction of the current trade. So when the price action tends to be moving up above the moving average, it usually indicates that the price is on a uptrend. Now, whether the price action is moving down below the moving average, it just indicates that it is on the downturn. Here we have variables to check whether the price is fast or slow. And then on the tick, where it grabs every new open and pending price, it will be checking for the trade. So if the trade is returning 2, meaning the price is on the fast moving average, we use the martingale to buy. Otherwise, returning 1, the price is leaning towards the slow moving average, so we would have to use the martingale to sell. Here he has a bit of piece of code where it's buying, so it's checking to see if we have an amount of money within our account in order to buy a new order. Same thing with the sell, checking our account to see if we have enough money in order to sell. And here we're just, if the order is open, that we can buy within the open and pending orders that has been taking away. Same thing with the sell, also checking within the open and pending orders. And here we are exiting the buy for the martingale. Same thing with the sell. Hers is really useful because you won't be able to have that much of a risk as my expert advisors, since it's purely just going through what an actual martingale, the classic martingale, is doing, where you're just doubling the bet after every loss. And here is a very safe type of martingale that would not give you that much of a risk, and trying to balance the risk and the reward. Now, if you have any other questions, you can contact me at this email address, and if you have any questions about the project, you can contact my mentor, Masoud Sajadi, at his email contact information. Thank you for your time and watching this video. Hope you have a good day.